Guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to give you some tips on your site's SEO. So if you are a new blogger and trying hard to do SEO of your site, then the most thing that can spoil your SEO is URLs of your site. Sometimes what happens, if you are a new blogger, you create some content, you delete them, and if Google bots already crawled it, then it becomes a very bad problem for your site's SEO, because you created content, you uploaded, posted, and Google fetched it. After that you delete it, then what happens? URL is on Google search, but it's not on your website. So it's the very worst situation for your site's SEO, because the SEO is the everything. SEO is everything for your site. If it spoils, that you can't do anything. Site can't perform. So today I am going to tell you a trick. With this trick you can remove the all URLs from Google search, whatever URLs has got traffic, then you will be able to remove them from Google search. So how you can do this? One thing you may have already known about remove URL through the removals tab from Google search console, and the trick that I am going to tell you is removing sitemap, because whatever URL you have submitted through sitemap to Google, you can remove these all URLs by just removing your sitemap. So what you can do, you have to log into Google search console, you have to choose your property, and after that go to the sitemap section. When you will go to sitemaps, you will see here submitted sitemaps. So before submitting any new sitemap, make sure you delete the old sitemaps. So you have to click here, and you will find a list of all sitemaps posted here. As you are watching, there are the list of sitemaps I have posted here, and I am going to delete them. So what you can do, just click on the sitemap, and you will find here when it was last read by Google on 6th May 2021, and discovered URLs were 150. So I am going to delete. What I can do, just click on the three dots and remove sitemap. So one by one I am going to remove all the sitemaps, because I have to submit one new sitemap with some new URLs and want to remove the all old URLs. So next, so whatever how many sitemaps you have submitted does not matter, you can delete those all sitemaps. So in this way you can also delete all the sitemaps, because if you are going to submit a new, then there is no need of old sitemaps. So just remove them and submit new one using this feature. So all your old URLs will be excluded from Google bots list, and only the fresh new URLs whatever is currently on your site will be fetched by Google. So that's it guys. Okay, this was the very useful information I wanted to give you. I hope you liked the video, and it will be very helpful for you for your site's SEO. So that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. I will meet you in my next video with some cooler information. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye, take care.